You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh.
Hey loves, it's Lavishly Britt and I'm back. So I'm going to be just starting this off on this type 4 dirty hair, but let's just go ahead and hop in the shower first. So I'm going to be using the African Pride's Collection Moisture Miracle. I will be using the shampoo and the conditioner. So the shampoo is the Honey and Coconut Oil Nourish and Shine shampoo. And there's not much to say about this other than it does what a shampoo does and it's supposed to do, and I like it. So this is what my hair is looking like once I've shampooed it. And now I'm going to move on to conditioning my hair. So I did use the Honey Chocolate and Coconut Oil Nourish and Restore conditioner. So I just applied this throughout my hair and detangled thoroughly and then twisted up each section when I was done, just to keep my hair from tangling up even more. So definitely take your time on this step because you don't want your hair tangling up. This is going to be very important moving forward in your routine to protect your hair for protective style. So here's what my hair is looking like after allowing that to sit in my hair for a few minutes. I just went back into the shower and rinsed it all out. So since I did plan to apply heat to my hair, I was going to go in with the Black Castor Miracle collection, whose main focus is to being a growth protection formula. So I first started off with the heat protectant spray, applying that and then detangling my hair, and then followed that by twisting up each section that I already applied the heat protectant to and detangled, just to prevent my hair from tangling back up, which I said again is very important in your routine. So here my hair is all twisted up, and now I'm taking each twist out and I'm going to start blow drying my hair. Now y'all, my hair dryer is very raggedy. It makes blow drying my hair a hassle. Let's just put it that way. So yes, your girl got inches. Yes, I do plan on straightening my hair very soon. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. As you see, yes, I was very annoyed because my blow dryer kept breaking on me and I had to keep stopping and pausing just to get through this routine, okay? So don't be like me. Get you a new hair dryer if yours is broken. Definitely leave some comments down below if you have recommendations on a good blow dryer.
You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name.
Yeah, y'all saw that right. It popped off again. I was annoyed.
You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire.
But we made it through. We made it through, and look at me with all my hair in all my glory. Yes, I need a good haircut. I'm also looking for a stylist who can give me a good old haircut because I need it. But yes, look at the inches, girl. Look at them. Yes. So before I get into anything else, I'm just going to take this sealing oil from the collection and apply it to my rubber bands. And this is just going to help them not tug at my hair and cause any breakage. So now that I'm ready to get on to the styling process, I am just going to part my hair down the middle. Just give me a pretty clean part, and then I'm going to part it going from ear to ear. Now I am going to work on the back section all together because I like to create my parts going across. So I'm going to go in with the Prep and Leave-In Moisture Butter product from African's Pride Black Castor Miracle collection, which is bomb. The consistency of this is like perfect. It's not too thin and it's not too heavy. So I feel like this will work for many hair types, especially for my ladies out there who struggle with finer textures and lower density. So after that, I'm going to go in and use the Extra Hold Braid Lock and Twist Gel. Now y'all, this is the truth. So I'm going to take a rubber band after I've applied that gel to my edges and just secure them. The gel is going to keep my parts clean, and the oil that is on the rubber bands is going to keep it from like tugging at my hair strands and causing any breakage, because we don't have time for that, sis. No breakage for us. So yeah, I just part my hair all the way through, and I like my parts neat just because I find that it will avoid any, you know, problems as far as things being too tight and pulling and causing stress on my hair strands. So here I am, I'm done. I was nice and tired, but I did decide to just go ahead and use this extra hold braid and lock twisting gel to lay my edges real quick, because I was about to leave the house and get something to eat. And it held up nicely. I actually prefer that over the hold and cover edges, which is perfect for anyone who is suffering from hair loss around the edges. So now that I'm ready to go in and style, I'm just going to use the Prep and Leave-In Moisture Butter again, as well as the hair and scalp sealing oil to apply to my hair. So this is the brand of hair that I use. I got the hair in a water wave texture. I found that this was the best texture. I worked with this hair before, and I know that this texture does not tangle up as much when you're pulling it apart. This is the same hair I use for my Goddess faux locks. If you haven't seen that video, then you can definitely check that out. So now that I got my hair prepped and I've already applied the moisture butter and the oil, I'm just going to take the gel and apply that to my hair because it keeps my hair very slick and it blends better with this hair texture. So taking my crochet hook and going underneath the rubber band, I'm going to slide the water wave curly hair through and just pull it all the way through, and then I'm going to pull apart my hair into two pieces and put them with a twist, and I'm just going to twist tightly. I've watched some videos and some ladies recommend you pull up, but I feel like if you just twist tight enough, it will automatically give it that spring type of look. So here we're gonna do it again. Put the hook through, put the hair through, pull it all the way through. Make sure you close the clap staying on your crochet hook. Pull one side of the hair through and let them drape. So you're gonna pull apart. I found it best after doing this a while that if I just pull the hair through without fluffing the hair. So once I've done that, I'm going to work on my hair, put the gel, separate it into two, and then start twisting them together. Again, doing it very tight, because as you can see, this twist is very thin compared to what it looks like once I let it all the way go. And once you let it go, it's going to bounce up and it's going to give you that passion spring twist look that everybody's going for. So I'm gonna show you all this again, and I'm gonna just let it play so you all can see how it works.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And
So now that my twists are all done, I'm going to go in with the sealing oil from this collection and just oil my scalp. This oil was bomb for oiling my scalp. Like, it kept my scalp very moisturized and not dry, so I was here for it. But as you can see, your girl was tired, okay? I finished this at like 3-4 o'clock in the morning, y'all, so your girl was tired. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know. So definitely be following me over there. So I'm going to be showing you everything in this video, start to finish, how I put them in and how I took them out. So as you can see here, this is me showing you where my hair starts. So this is about 2.5 weeks later, and I can see that line of demarcation where my hair is starting to frizz up, which was totally fine with me. I only planned to wear this style for about 2 weeks. I actually wore a little longer. So I'm just going to cut that hair right there and then pop the rubber band if I want to, and then pull the hair out. Really easy. You can pop the rubber band first, or you can just pull the hair out, but I find it best if you probably pop the rubber band so you're not causing any unnecessary breakage. So the next day I went in to use the takedown like jelly, and this stuff was the bomb. Like, if you like the pre-poo, I definitely think you would like this as well, just because it gives you enough slip and it's like moisturizing feeling that it melted all the tangles and dryness that I had in my hair. Like, it was phenomenal. So I just applied this throughout, and I'm going to show you the amount of hair that came out while I was detangling my hair. Now, mind you, you don't see me using any tools because at this point I was not ready, so I let this sit in my hair for a while. And then when I hopped in the shower and was washing my hair, I did use my detangling brush, but right now I only use my hands to detangle my hair thoroughly, as good as I could, without, you know, causing any breakage. We're not about a breakage in 2019. And this is the amount of hair. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I showed you how I took my hair from being just a dirty wash and go, how I shampooed it, conditioned it, detangled it, blow dried it, prepped it, styled it. And also how I took my style out. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and until next time, I can't wait to see you in my next one. As always, remember, you're popping, you're beautiful, and I love you. Share this video because the style is in. You want to be popping all year long. Get you some passion twists. You can do it yourself at home. Love you. Bye.